Hi, this is a manual creaser called a Docufin 35. As the name suggests, it's 35cm, 350mm creasing. But what this particular manual creaser will do, it will do manual single crease very well, but it's also got a couple of other features that it will do. It will do perforating. You get the pull-out perforating bar here that I'll show you in a moment. And the other feature that it will do, again I'll show you in a moment, it will do this book cover creasing, where you've got two creases one side, two the other side, one up, one down, to form the cover for a perfect bound book or hot bound, hot glue book. So it will do the cover like that. So it's got a couple of extra features just from your average standard single crease machine. So if I just show you to start with the single crease, which is very simple, you can use our card up to SRA 3, 350g card, and here we have a sheet that's full out solid gloss print there, just to show you how it stops the cracking on the spine. So for this, we'll just put it into the backstop, do the crease, and if the camera moves in, you can see it's a very nice crease. And when we fold it like so, even on this full out solid, no cracking. By example, if I just fold a piece manually, exactly the same card, if I just do a fold, just roughly to show you the difference, if we fold it like that, you can see the cracking on the spine as against that one. Huge difference. So as I said, single creasing, very simple, very easy. Several machines around that will do single crease. But what this one will also do is a couple of extra features. Like I said, it will do this book cover creasing, and it will do that simply by, get this little tool here. If I come round to this side, we can slide out the bottom bottom bar there, and you simply turn it over. You can see our double crease there. Before we do that, we'll just bring the lever down to slide out the top bar. Just get a little hook there. So all we're going to do is turn it over to bring the double crease into play. Trying to do it in the camera. Just slides in, lift the handle up, just slide the bottom one in, just push it in like so. What we can then do, and it's very simple, this very clever backstop that I was saying about. So what we'll do, you can position the card, and depending on the thickness of your book cover, if I grab a few sheets here, let's just say that that is our insert for our perfect bound cover book. You just put the thickness of the book into there, undo that, slide. So we're going to slide that in, stop it. That gives us the thickness of our spine for the cover that you'll see in a moment. Put that paper down. So our first crease up to this stop. Bring the handle down, and we've done the first two creases, one up, one down. You turn it over and go into the second stop. Pull the lever down. So what you can see there is we've got the crease for the spine, and then we've got the secondary crease to open the book cover up. So very simple to use, nice little feature for people that are doing perfect bound book covers. Saves a lot of time and effort. What we can also do, the other feature that this machine has got, is the perforating bars. These bars I've got here, they do store under the machine. There's a little storage part there that they clip in. Depending which way you want to run the machine, some people like to do it this way, some people work from this side because they find it easier. It's whatever way you find best to use it. So in this case, just to fit those, we'll do the same thing. We'll pull out the bottom bar first. There's a little hole there that this pin inserts into. Bring the lever down to remove the top bar. Like so, and then it's the same process. We're just going to put in the perforating bar, just slide in, slide that in like so, raise the handle, and then we'll just put in the perforating bar with the hole at this end, just so you can get it out again. And just slide that into there. So once we put the perforating in there, just a single sheet of 80 gram paper I'll show you here. You can set your stops to wherever you want for the perforating. Push it down, give it a good push, and what it will do, if you've just got very short run perforating, odd jobs to do that are not very long, if you've got longer jobs of thousands of things, you need to look at a more automated perforating machine with an auto feeder, maybe a rotary perforator or something, but higher up in the price bracket. But it's another little feature that this machine does give you, which is quite useful sometimes.